Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this hair tutorial of a high ponytail, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. I have not done a hair tutorial in such a long time, so let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on, and you probably think this is gonna be a makeup video because I'm into makeup and extensions, but it is not. Sorry, I have a hair in my mouth. It is not. It's actually a hair tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a very long time because I'm so used to doing makeup. I'm going to do a high ponytail and show you how to do it. So if I am just standing around home, this is how I wear my hair. Or if I have to go work out and I'm working out in the pool, this is how I do my hair. So I will show you what you need. You need a brush to brush out the hair, then a kind of, like, I use a thicker rubber band to hold it. Sometimes I use lighter ones, but if I do, because my hair is kind of on the thicker side, I use two thin ones. And then you need these as I pull out a whole bunch of hair that was on the counter, clips to some of like little hairs. And then I use this, I tried this Nexxus Airlift Dry Texture Finishing Spray, and I tried it the other day and I loved it. I picked this up at Marshall's, and I got the brush at Marshall's like over a year ago. And then this rubber band came like with some headbands like this. This isn't added, and I'm gonna do that too. So here I go. I have not done one of these, and sorry I don't have makeup on, but I thought I'd just hop on and start getting ready. I'm gonna bend my head down. And let that spray. And yes, I do have gray hair, but it's from my vitiligo. And I'm actually getting my hair done today after my workout. I'm so excited. I'm thinking I'm gonna add more blonde in it. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna let that just settle. See, like my hair was kind of flat before, and excuse me, and it gave me kind of volume. So now I'm gonna take my brush and just start brushing it out. At first I thought this was a dry shampoo, but I found out that it was a texturing spray. Now, I have like natural wavy hair, so a lot of times when I use volume stuff, it like makes my hair like bushy and all sorts of stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna bend my head down again. and just start brushing the bottom. See how it's, because I'm brushing it. Okay. So I've been trying to do the bubble braid. So the bubble braid, and I've been practicing. So I might do a tutorial on that. So now I'm gonna brush some more. I'm just gonna keep brushing. Okay, so now instead of going like grabbing the hair, I'm going to bend down, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but I'm gonna back up and grab all of the hair. And come back up. Whew. Come back up. See how I grabbed all of the hair? Then I'm going to take that rubber band and start twisting it around. And then I just pull the hair a little bit. See, my gray kind of blends in with the, and I make sure that there are no, or I try to make sure there are no bumps. Then I take the clips and I just clip it. And I got these in a pack from Walmart. And what I was gonna say about the rubber band is it came with this couple had bands like these, and it was like only $5, which was pretty good because you got a couple hair ties and headbands. So now I'm going to, okay, I don't like how it is all bumpy like that. So I'm gonna brush it out again. Here we go again. Second time's the charm. Okay, I'm going to, there's two ways you could do it. There's, oh, no. Okay. Third time's the charm. Bend my head down. Okay, I think that is better. And also, you can use a scrunchie. That way, it won't be so harsh on your hair, especially to sleep in. Okay, that's much better. So, one thing I want to say is that if you can do away with this towards the end, that would be better. I think I'm learning as I go. So now I'm gonna put it up, use the clips, and you could just leave it like this, or you could put the headband around it. And then that's what I am going to do because I'm going to be working out. So it's not the best, but it'll do. But yeah, I should have not put this stuff in because now, yes, it did give me more volume, but it made it more kind of poofy. So, I will turn around and show you the back here. So, I am going to finish up my makeup and come back with the end result for you. So I'm back with the end result. I put another headband around it with a pattern. This is my go-to hairstyle if I'm working out, just being at home. Like, I even actually wear it out sometimes. So I just wanted to hop on and show you guys how I do my hair. You don't have to wear a headband. A lot of times I don't even wear a headband, but you can use a bigger headband if you don't want to use these smaller headbands. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.